Hi everyone. Today we are going to see one more frequently asked questions in the FANG interview questions. The question is a Python program to remove duplicates in a list. Suppose you have a list with duplicates, which means a value which is repeated more than once. How you are going to remove the duplicates and give you the list without any duplicates. So first for that you need to have a list, right? So I'm taking my underscore list. I'll try to give some values like 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 6. Okay, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10. So this is my list. I'll try to display this list. Okay, once I try to display it, so I'll just run. This is my list. So if you have a look here, 2 got repeated multiple times, 4 got repeated multiple times, 6 got repeated multiple times. Okay, so I don't want the list. Now let us have a look at the length of the list. Print, there is a function called len of my list. This will give you the length of the list. So the length of the list is 14. Let us display it clearly. So print, this is the length of the list. So the list is also will have a list here. I'll display that original list. Sorry. Original list or list. So I'll just run. So the list is this and the length of the list is 14. So now how I am going to use that? Remove the duplicates. So I'll remove the duplicates using a set function. So there is a function called set which will remove the duplicates and which will not allow the duplicates, and so that which means it will drop off the duplicates and give you the element which got repeated only once only. So how we are going to do this? So I'll just call upon list without duplicates. So there's a list without duplicates. So set of my list. I'll call upon set of. I'll try to pass my list. So this is a list without duplicates. Print list without duplicates. And we'll check this length for us for our better understanding. Which means to make sure that the length of the list got decreased because we removed the duplicates. Okay. So we'll give a more detailed way like list without duplicates, right? And its length, just giving a length of string list, that's all. Let us run this. So when you're running this is my original list which I gave. Okay, so the length of the list is 14. When I called upon set over this my underscore list, this got stored here and we are displaying it. This is my list now. So this got in the form of a flower braces. Let us convert it into a list. So we can, because we applied the set method, we can also give a list like this. List function is also there. You can call this so that this gets converted to a list again. Let us run this. So now if you have a look, this is converted into a list here. So now this list contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Somehow 1 to 10 numbers. All the whichever are extras or whichever or repeated months got repeated, got deleted, and the length of the list is simply 10. So this is how we are trying to remove the duplicates in a list by making use of a simple set method. Okay. For more programs, please subscribe to Python Enthusiast. Thank you.